smoking crew. Yes, you, I'm talking to you. Original ganja smoking top cat passing through with another one for the Munga high grade selection for you. What me tell them? Tell them already, me I tell them again. Tell them already, me I tell them again. So we are herbalist, we are herbalist. Badang dang them, tell them already, me I tell them again. Tell them already, me I tell them again. So we are herbalist, we are herbalist. Badang dang, but tell them how would you feel if you wake up one morning and saw a big fat ganja spliff laid on your jaw. You want like the spliff, but you know that you can't. Somebody thief your lighter. How would you feel if you're coming from dance and you're red with ganja and alcohol swimming on your head? You want reach your yard and you want go to bed, but you want to go work instead. Plenty money would say me have to like the spliff with the in the ashtray. Plenty money would say now the boss in all the see we not the workplace today. Cause we are herbalists, we are herbalists. But dang dang them tell them already, me I tell them again. Tell them already, me I tell them again. So we are herbalists, we are herbalists. But dang dang them tell them already, me I tell them again. Tell them already, me I tell them again. Say me love the sense of Nila, yes me love it, my friend. It's a special dedication to the herbalist them. We have only for lyrics for the good slang thing. Now you come Mr. Catter with the next one again. Cause we are herbalists, we are herbalists. Better take me pipe and blaze that. 1 ounce of herb, quick time we have done that. After we are ration the herb and we food that. 10 pound of herb come down in our knapsack. But the custom and the immigration won't stop that. Ask me a check but still them can't find that. Take with the knapsack and Africa bring back. Them can't stop that, God just bless that. Believe that, cause we are herbalists, we are herbalists. Badang dang them, tell them already, me I tell them again. Tell them already, me I tell them again. So we are herbalists, we are herbalists. Badang dang, tell them already, me I tell them again. Tell them already, me I tell them again. Say me love the sense of Mila, yes me love it, my friend. It's a special dedication to the herbalist them. We have only for lyrics for the good slang thing. Now you come Mr. Catter with the next one again. Cause we are herbalists, we are herbalists. Badang dang, me tell them how would you feel if you wake up one morning and saw a big fat ganja spliff laid on your jaw. You want like the spliff but you know that you can't. Somebody thief your lighter. How would you feel if you're coming from dance and you're red with ganja and alcohol swimming on your head? You want reach your yard and you want go to bed, but you want to go work instead. Plenty money would say me have to like the spliff with the in the ashtray. Plenty money would say that the boss in our see we not the workplace today. Cause we are herbalists.
But him no give a damn. Every day him get up a beat Pam and Sharon. When we check it out, no money down there in a hand. This a my camera can come fit tell every man. Mama used to tell me long time ago, it's not everything you see glitter is gold. Look on your hand them boy, look how them tough. And your job won't favor Spanish town and cuff. You're just a brand new second hand man. No woman, no one. Brand new second hand man. You better go back wrong. So you're just a brand new second hand man. I take the girls them for idiot. Brand new second hand man. I sit down a road and chat. You are the greatest thing to sit down on the corner. When you see the girls are pass, you just a cuss Sister Lana. I talk about your big and your bad, and both of you are top notch. When you see the girls them passing, you just a screw and a watch. You are brand new second hand man. No woman no one. Brand new second hand no. You better go back wrong. So you're just a brand new second hand man. I take the girls them for idiot. A brand new second hand man. Every day you just a bust up a glass. man and beat up them man. This a my chemical come to tell every man that ease up the pressure off of the
Scoop station from the stable Glen each every time I tell you. Hear this one, yeah. Spread out, spread out. Spread the message about. Spread out, spread out. Spread the good news about. Spread out, spread out. Spread the message about. Spread out, spread out. Spread the news about. Now is the time to come together in peace and harmony. Now is the time to come, having love for humanity. Spread out, spread out. Spread the good news about. Spread out, spread out. Spread the message about. Spread out, spread out. Spread the message about. Spread out, spread out. Spread the good news about. We must have understanding for each member of humanity. Respect their culture and different ways. The righteous ones in our give thanks and
time for love. It's not exciting. The way things keep going so round. I think we got to spend some time for love, boy. It's not exciting. The way things keep going so round. Yes. One hand scratch the other. Higher, sharper's iron. Oh well. Yes. Yeah. I saw myths are many. I saw my find them I folly. Some I make things go round. Turn it upside down. Some I grudge you for money. Then them turn so funny. Them I make things go round. Turn it upside down. Boy, I think got to spend some time for love. It's not exciting, no. The way things keep going so round. I think we got to spend some time for love. It's not exciting, the way things keep going so round. One hand scratch the other. Oh, iron sharp iron.
Never the king, and I was all I mean, I would have kicked in your face, I would have robbed you. Oh, that could jump on it as well. Never the king. Phenomenon one. Phenomenon one. This one dedicated to all bad man. Whether you're from Manchester or London, whether you're from North London or Brixton, put up on the hand. Phenomenon two. Cyflows and I kill a man a road show. So what brothers I'm a road deep pro. You don't wanna brush, we'll step on with show. You know what say I throw. Phenomenon three. Put in the ganja and take out the seed. We all are intelligent people on the roadside where I smoke weed. Yes indeed, that's what we need. Four. One time we talk, I'm not talking more. Side them boy, I'ma kick off them door. Kick off them door, I'ma run up with the 4-4. You don't wanna see the 4-4-5. Boss my gun and them not stay alive. Take where your son of mine, take where your wife. And you don't know what's that. Me I go still, I go stab with knife. Tell them about phenomenon 6. Them walk with knife when we walk with sticks. Kill a mommy, I go down some bricks. Down some bricks with a M16. Tell them about phenomenon 7. How much gun we bought for the week 7? Man don't wanna get 1 out of the 7, cause you only gonna get 11. Tell them about phenomenon 8. Bust my gunshot boy at the gate. We not really care if it's early or late. Bad man real, we not fake. Straight. Phenomenon 9. Take with a 9. SW9. Tech 9 and the Tech 9. Boy them can't diss me, it's fine. If a boy fuck with mine, then I get the 10. Mac 10. Phenomenon 10. Tell them already now, tell them again. No problem.
Skeng. 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 Me and Kellerman boss off the big skeng. 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 Me and Kellerman reload the big skeng. Car. 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 Skeng pan road. No skeng in a car. 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 Me and Kellerman love road in a car. Road. 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 Gun in a hand, I'm in a walk with sword. 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 Shot in a face like dart in a board. Real. 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 Bullet fly through bumper welding screen. 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 Who can hear them mama I go feel?
Pussy all you don't know me. See me on the roadside rolling. Like say you feel it can rolling. Me have the machine ready for them. Ready for them. No make me have to strolling. When the big dog rolling. You don't want to see when one shot start beat. It will be like when dog a eat tribe. Come and stop in the wall out of them. Tell you the truth, I not care about them. Cause when me dump it, them, me I go send back dumpy for them. Man a bad man from a long time. I swear down you can ask all your people them. Looking at my face, brother man, you don't wanna see man when me get evil then.
Then you don't wanna see me get evil. 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 Worse. 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 Shot in the face, make it send it to the nurse. Worse. 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 Shot in the face, make it send it to the nurse. For 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 the nurse.
Algab jälle uus päev, mis tuleb üle elada. Selles raudbeton metsas on palju läbi elada. Roheline mees raiub munitsipaalmõõdaga. Mõõdaga me rannu elutempot mõõdavad. Sisepõlemismotoriga siit kopse täidavad. Kui tohtlik on marihuana meile arstid väidavad. Aga ma saan kuidagi hakkama. Automaadi ees leian, et mul on kadunud pangakaart. Panen tühjad tihud taskusse ja vaatan taevakaart. Supermarketis põrnitseb kassapidaja. Palgapäeval saab 5 sotti, miks ta mul ei naerata. Poes ei müüda asju, mis on tulnud Ida-Piirimaal. Selle asemel on šnitsel, mis on pärit Piirimaal. Aga ma saan kuidagi hakkama. Linnakodanike lapsi joht ähvardab pidevalt, mis sest et nii pädevalt. Nüüd telefonis puurab interneti pedofiil. Kuklis rasvab sool ja suhkur, millest päästab insuliin. Õpetaja pole ka piisavalt viisaks, las no andke lastel relvad kätte, küll nad teda tulistaks. Aga ma saan kuidagi hakkama. Pintsakuga mees peaks kandma kriminaalkaristust, kuid ikka sirge seljaga kulutab me parlamendi tõstus. Poliitikutel on emakeeleks kantseliit, sõna taga peituvast mõttest on saanud defitsiit. Avalikus sektoris käib naturaalne müstika, väiksed valed ja suured valed, mida toetab statistika. Aga Agama san kudagi hakama. San kudagi hakama.
Sons of the special dedication to the world and its life. We can't do the fuss and fight. Whether you're black, purple, blue or white, let's get together and all unite. Oh, you mean? Ribby-dibby nobody, ribby-dibby nobody, ribby-dibby nobody, ribby-dibby nobody. Easy, Mr. Cat, you want it down. Yes, easy, Mr. Cat, you want it down. Yes, we're going to sting them like a bees and bite them like a scorpion. Anywhere me pass from me and the mic magician, we call it under pressure the world, under pressure till the friend them, under pressure the world, under pressure till the mother, under pressure the world, under pressure. So the leaders of the world and them a fight for power, and one of them a say him control America, the next one a say him rule in Russia, and one of them a say him control China, the next one a say him control Cuba, one a rule Libya, one rule Uganda, but me say gunshot a bust up in a Nicaragua, and every day them get up training like a gorilla. Gaddafi and the leader, me say wrong a
It's a powerhouse production from the Toxic Connection. What a thing!
try your best just to make it quick. Come and tend to the sick. Cause there must be something she can do. This heart is broken in two. Tell her it's a case of emergency. There's a patient by the name of Gregory. Night nurse, only you alone can quench this your thirst. My night nurse,
it's a case of urgency.
your pain is
I'm
getting
badly in
worse.
need of sensei. Lord, I coulda run a Lydie or down a Geeky. Any one of them rule. Or even down a West we have to send fees. Send for what? Send for what? Yeah. The writers. The right says only it alone can calm this your nerve. Strictly the writers, not just any old way. Strictly grades from the earth, strictly the best from the chest. Lord, the earth, my friend. If I up down and want this stinky, well, really,
Ain't no coming
we
back.
have to go and circle chingwe.
Coming back.
If I work with an industry, we're busy in this studio, you know. Call me Sadi, come link me. Right away, any day. With what? The writer.
Yeah, she got me stressed like a thug on death floor. Ain't no coming back. Yeah, need some help, baby. Flip the lights first. You in here so my night's work. Nobody does it better, cause you are my night nurse. You got me under pressure, stress too much to measure. Think about the mulas, nights of pleasure. I still think that you're the only woman for me. And besides that, I gotta deal with these memories of what we had together. Damn, it meant so much. And how you shook my existence with every single touch.
Tell her try your best just to make it quick.
Yeah.
Woman, tend to the sick.
Totally stressed. Right.
Cause there must be something she can do.
Must be
This heart is broken in two.
down and under. Yeah.
Tell her it's a case of emergency.
Get the
There's a
paramedic.
patient by the name of Mickey.
Yeah.
Night nurse,
In a state of depression.
only you alone can quench this here thirst.
Right. Yeah.
My night nurse, oh God, oh the pain is getting worse.
Yeah.
I don't wanna see no dark.
Don't wanna see no doubt.
I need attendance from my nurse around the clock.
Right.
Cause there's no prescription for me.
Ain't nothing else gonna help.
She's the one, the only remedy.
Positive.
My night nurse, only you alone can quench this here thirst. My night nurse.
Bang bang giddy bending bang bang yang gang going. Element, ay. Bang bang giddy bending bang bang yang gang going. Element, ay. Gunshot a licking a city Kingston. Bad man make downtown lockdown. Seems like the country a get out of hand. Bang bang giddy bending bang bang yang gang going. Element, ay.